So with replacing your windows, one of the first things you're gonna have to figure out is what your budget is. Because there is a wide range of varieties and price points on windows. You can go with vinyl windows and have yourself at a relatively low price point for the project. You could also go to Anderson or Pella or Marvin or any of these really expensive name brands and spend quite a bit more when you're going to like wood windows, fiberglass windows, stuff like that. So having a budget kind of in mind and letting your contractor know what that is so that we can make sure we come to you with a product that's going to fit your needs and your budget. There's no reason for us to come back at a price point that is just way above what you're looking to spend, and we just wasted everybody's time. So knowing a little bit about what your budget's going to be is going to help you and your contractor put you in the right spot to succeed on that stuff. As far as styles, like we talked about before a little bit, whether you're going to go with vinyl windows or wood windows or Pella, fiberglass windows, stuff like that. Those are all things you kind of want to have an idea of, because again, that'll help your contractor put the right things for you in your home. Also with styles, if you want to put any colors on there, right? Do you want black windows? Do you want white windows? Do you want clay windows? They have different colors of them out there for you to see. Something else style-wise people don't always consider is, do you want to spruce up the outside of the home as well by adding some trim around the outside of those windows when they're replaced? A lot of times people think about, the interior trim, but the exterior trim can also make a big difference on how the outside of your home looks. So do you want to put some money there to change the way all those things function? As far as installation stuff, really your contractor should handle most of that for you, whether or not you're going to need replacement windows or new construction windows, and they can help guide you on what that's going to be and how that install process is going to work. One of the things that you can help with though would be if you take down any like window treatments or curtains before the project starts. That'll just keep the crew from having to do that and possibly tearing something up while they're messing with your curtains and things like that. Also moving any furniture inside the house before the window crew arrives, so they're having to move couches and things like that to get your windows replaced. But really, if you can focus on knowing what your budget is, having an idea on style, your contractor should be able to help get you in the right window for your needs by the time it's all said and done.